my name is Elle and welcome back to my art channel. Today I'm going to be using my favorite drawing app called Paper. I'm going to be showing you guys how to draw an apple fruit. If you don't have this app, then you can draw on real solid paper. I really love this drawing app, and if you have it, I hope you love it too. We have so much to get to, so we might as well start now. So this is my notebook, aka where we will be drawing all of the creations we make in the future. Of course, we're gonna start drawing the apple. Let's take out our pencil first. We're gonna start off with the base of it. First, draw two curved lines that form a V shape. Next, draw out from both sides, just like this. Draw down symmetrically from there, making the opposite of the V shape. Next, color your apple in. It could be any color you want, but I chose red. Now, of course, erase any marks outside of the line. There are many in this case. Okay, so I just finished all of the erasing. Next, what you're gonna want to do is pick out a green-brown color for the stem. Draw it sticking out from the top of your apple. Next, take a dark shade of green and draw the outline of the leaf. Shape it like an oval that you pinched two sides of. Then draw a line through the leaf like this. Now, take a lighter shade of green and color both of the sides in. If needed, outline the leaf again. If you're drawing on real paper, you can use white paint or do this ahead of time. Make the light reflection by drawing a white curve on the edge of your apple. If you're using the app, use this blend tool to make your reflection look realistic. See the difference? And that's how you draw an apple on regular paper or the app paper.